All right. So we got the carrying yoke in there, and we put 2 coats of spar varnish on there. We'll put some more on, and then I did end up putting some epoxy sealant in here that just gives it a little bit of a double edge. And I may take and put the one that came out of there. I just might put another one in here. I don't know, just for support. But anyway, that looks pretty good. Matches the van. And I've been trying to keep everything cool in the van, so I picked up this little screen here and put in the window. That helps a lot, knock that heat down. And anyway, we're gonna put the canoe back on top of the van today, because we may go hit Teal Lake this afternoon. We did build a couple of sawhorses, can go in the boat, and then the canoe can go on there as we're back to traveling. We're about ready to jump on the road here again and get going and get some more travel, get some more fishing going here. I got a couple more videos already up. So anyway, yeah, that's about it. Let me know what you think of this footage here, just on this camera alone, because this, I did pick up the new GoPro. One of you guys on the channel commented about getting the GoPro Black or Silver, and it is a much better camera, and I got it for a pretty good deal, so for about 180 bucks. And I was able to sell my other one for 60 bucks, and I sold my rack that went on the back of the van. I got rid of that for 40 bucks, so that was 100. So, you know, cut back on half of the thing. And this GoPro I do like. It's got a lot of great features, and I'll show you some other, because we've got quite a bit of new stuff now, so we'll go through and I'll cover all that stuff here when we get a chance. So anyway, yeah, the van looks pretty good, and we are ready to jump on the road again here and get some more lakes in, get some more fishing going. All right, guys, I got to get back to a few more projects. Well, we decided to do a little work up here and try to make for a little more room. So what I did is put a little deck on here, and got the chainsaw up here, and that's all secured. This is all secured. We'll put tools on here. The canoe probably will go in the boat on some sawhorses, and it'll give a little platform to get up here and kind of hang out on it. I picked up this little ladder off the marketplace for $5, and that way I can organize this a little bit more, get all the tools up in there, and then it just opens this up, and then I think I'll pull that out, and I could actually put that on this side for a little storage unit, or just do away with it, who knows. But anyway, it makes for a little bit more, get a little bit more clutter out of here and on the top and whatnot. But and then again, you know, we'll see how it works for the wind and stuff, but I think it'll work. So we will try that out and see how it all works. Always trying to organize and make a little bit more room.